everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my intro for Partners in Cream. This is like the 2.0 version. We did this last year. It was created by Delyn and Steph. I'm going to have them linked down below, and there should be a playlist of everyone that has joined in again this year. It was wildly popular last year, and so many people are joining again this year, and then even more people that didn't do it last year are going to be joining in. This project is absolutely brilliant. It is for cream products, like gels, creams, liquids, anything that is going to go bad faster than a powder product. Basically, any makeup that isn't powder is pretty much fair game in this project. It starts January 10th and goes to December 10th. I'm assuming the same as last year. And I love it. I love it because it's kind of like a year-long project, but you get a month off just to play and do other things, which is kind of cool. But, you know, you got a lot of time if you want to get a bunch of stuff done. They are allowing like quarterly refresh this year. I don't intend to do that, but you never know. I might get bored and want to change things up. But as of right now, that is not my intention. So I believe it was anywhere from 3 to 6 products. Some people said 3 to 5, some people said 4 to 6, and I think it kind of just became a 3 to 6 thing. I'm going to go with 5 because it's right there in the middle, and it's easy. It's an easy number to deal with in a project that, you know, is a rolling one for me anyway. So I have my 5 products right here, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to finish all of these, and my intention is to finish every single one. I have 3 lip products in here. So let's just get into them and we'll see how this goes. The first one is the e.l.f. Lip Lock. This was in my 200 to use up last year. I never really used it more than once or twice. There's a lot of product in this thing. A lot of product. And I really want to get it done because, yeah, it's been around for quite some time. I have my line right here where I am starting. Hopefully, cross my fingers, hopefully I can get this done. Let's just keep with the lip products. This one I don't know how to gauge progress because it is, you know, it's one of those kind of applicators. You can't see through it. It fills back up with air if you like squeeze it. So, I mean, I could weigh it, but I mean, it's 6.4 mils to start. It does have some usage on it. I don't really know how much weight change I'm going to get, but I could try to weigh that anyway. We'll just give it a shot. We'll go with it. The next one is actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I just wanted to see how it would look and if I could tolerate trying to pan it this year. It's thankfully small. Otherwise, there's no way I could do such a bright lip, but it's teeny tiny, see? But it is a liquid lipstick. It's from Buxom, and the color is Wine Me. It looks warmer on me than I think that it looks on the wand. So that could be interesting. I don't know. Maybe it was the lip liner that I had under it that kind of threw it off a little bit. I'm not really sure, but I think because it's so small, I can probably get through that. And the last two are eye products, and both of them happen to be ColourPop. This is the BFF Cream Gel Liner in Puppy. Yes. And I actually just put it on my lower lash line just to see how it would translate. So other than what I just put on, it is brand spanking new. It is long. Hopefully it doesn't dry out or I don't break it because those tend to be, you know, the problems with these products. So I have that red line right there is where I'm starting. And I will do lines as I go along. This next one is one that I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to show progress on because if I have to revive it, it's going to change the look and the weight and everything else. So we're just gonna go with it. And this is the ColourPop Jelly Much Shadow in On the Fly. It is what I have on my lids right now. And let me open this up. You can see what that looks like. It's a really pretty shade. It is I thought it was going to be really dark on the lids, which is why I kind of hesitated in putting it in here. So I thought I'm just going to throw it on my lids and see how it looks. But it's got enough shimmer and duochrome to it that it doesn't give me a super dark look. I mean, obviously it's not as bright as like some of the other things that I generally like to use, but I think I'm going to be okay with this one. So again, my intention is to use it up. There is like a piece of fuzz off my sweater floating around. So we will see how that goes. I do think it's going to take me the entire project to get this one done. Probably the eyeliner as well. I think these are both in for the long haul, and like I said, I intend to finish them. So if they take me the whole 11 months to do it, then so be it. That's what happens. And my hair's falling out. And hopefully the lip products won't take me nearly as long. So 2 eye products, 2 lip products. Wish me luck. And again, everyone that has joined in, they are going to be listed down below. I'm sure I forgot details because that's just how I am. I forget things. I'm a frazzled mom, so anything that is like the rules, descriptions, dates, all that stuff, I'm going to put it down in the description box because, like I said, I'm sure I forgot it. But definitely go check out Steph and Delynn because they are the creators of this. You got to go show them some love. They are going to be linked down there, and I believe one of them will have a playlist that I can link, and they always add to that one as the year goes on. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.